CQ Researcher is a database that focuses on controversial topics. The link to this database is available in our library catalog in the e-resources subject list under Controversial Topics Pro and Con. CQ Researcher is unique in that it offers a curated report that can be viewed within the database, printed, emailed, or downloaded and saved to a device as a PDF. The report includes an introduction and overview, pro and con arguments, maps, graphs, and future outlooks for the topic. If you know what topic you are wanting to focus on, you can search for it here in the search box, or if you are still trying to decide, over here you can see a list of available topics. In your results, you may see a flag that says Short Report. The information can still be useful here, however, as you scroll through, you will see that it does not contain the same amount of information that the full report does, and it appears to be more like a single article that you might find in other databases. CQ Researcher also offers a citation tool. This tool is helpful, but it isn't always correct, so be sure to double-check the citation with another resource such as Purdue OWL or an English writing manual.